Creamy coffee flavored fruit dip recipe, perfect dessert dip. Hey there, foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and unique treat in store for you, a creamy coffee flavored fruit dip that's sure to elevate your dessert game. If you're a coffee lover and enjoy the freshness of fruits, this recipe is tailor-made for you. Let's dive right in. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Ingredients. 8 ounces, 226 grams, cream cheese, softened. 1/4 cup heavy cream. 1/4 cup powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons instant coffee granules. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Assorted fresh fruits, strawberries, apple slices, bananas, grapes, etc., for dipping. Instructions. Mixing the coffee base. In a mixing bowl, combine softened cream cheese and powdered sugar. Using a hand mixer or a whisk, beat the cream cheese and sugar until smooth and creamy. Adding coffee flavor. In a separate small bowl, dissolve the instant coffee granules in a tablespoon of warm water. Stir until the coffee is fully dissolved. Add the coffee mixture to the cream cheese mixture and continue to beat until well combined. The coffee flavor will infuse into the cream cheese, creating a delightful coffee kick. Adding creaminess. Gradually pour in the heavy cream while continuing to beat the mixture. Beat until the dip reaches a smooth and velvety consistency. You're aiming for a luscious texture that's perfect for dipping. Final touches. Stir in the vanilla extract to enhance the overall flavor of the dip. Give the mixture a final mix to ensure all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Serving. Transfer the coffee-flavored fruit dip to a serving bowl. Arrange an assortment of fresh fruits around the bowl: strawberries, apple slices, bananas, grapes, or any fruits of your choice. Now, you're ready to indulge. Dip the fresh fruits into the creamy coffee dip and savor the unique blend of flavors. Presentation tips. Garnish the dip with a sprinkle of cocoa powder or chocolate shavings for an extra touch of elegance. You can also drizzle a bit of caramel sauce over the dip for added sweetness and visual appeal. And there you have it, folks, a delightful coffee-flavored fruit dip that's guaranteed to amaze your taste buds. This dessert dip is perfect for parties, gatherings, or simply treating yourself to a unique and indulgent snack. Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious culinary creations. Thanks for watching, and happy dipping!
Add a touch of whimsy to your holiday mornings with the Merry Christmas UFO mug. This enchanting mug features a vibrant blue and purple background adorned with twinkling stars, perfectly capturing the Christmas spirit. As you sip your favorite hot beverage, imagine soaring through the skies on a UFO, passing by a beautifully decorated Christmas tree. With its unique design and festive charm, this mug is sure to bring joy to your holiday season.